Kasi ang impeachment po, ang isa lamang po sa mga exemption sa bank secrecy law.
Would you say na what happened during the Corona trial is, kumaga, is that the Senate should be inclined to grant that subpoena given what happened during the Corona trial kasi nasubpoena yung AMLAC records, I believe, during the trial. So sa tingin niyo po ba grounded yung inyong request for the financial for the bank records given yung
that is the call of the Senate, of the Senate President. Sa amin naman po, gagawin lang namin yung mga sa tingin namin ay tama based on legal at ito naman po talaga ginagawa naman po hindi lamang po sa impeachment, maski naman po sa mga regular court kasi ang impeachment po